Hi, I'm Josh Hedgepeth, and I'm the president of the Engineering Club, and here is our budget approval presentation. So, as introduction, our mission statement is to promote the engineering profession and students' professional development, leadership, and fellowship. And our 3 goals for next year is to increase the membership, increase student involvement and fellowship, while also helping the members plan for their engineering futures. And this is how we plan on doing that. For our fall club meetings, which is an essential part of our club, we have anticipated about 8 club meetings where we would serve 6 to 7 pizzas, depending on how our membership attendance fluctuates. We'd also have 1 gallon of drink, totaling to about $600 in expenses. For our club events in the fall, we planned a semester hiking trip where we need about $75 for gas. Here's a picture from when we went in November, or a few of us went in November, and they had a lot of fun. Do you remember where that was?
No, but the hiking was great, but I don't remember.
Well, thank you, Femi, our secretary in the red jacket. Also, in addition to the club, to the hiking trip, we'd like to plan another club event, maybe visiting a museum or perhaps a place such as Lockheed Martin or other engineering institutes such as those. And also we'd like to have a competition where we'd need about $25 in supplies, where we would set up we'd have a set of criteria for engineering club members to create a small device with the techniques that they have learned in class and in the meetings, and then we would give an award, perhaps a plaque, to those who best fit the criteria of success. In the fall, our fall end of semester trip, we plan on going somewhere in Florida, probably mid-coast to maybe the south coast. Last fall, we went near Orlando, and this is a picture when we went to see the sunset, the beautiful sunset. For gas, I may have already said this, but $550. For a hotel, we need about $500 for a few nights stay, and also a few nights stay in a campground, we need about $150. In addition to that, we need about $200 for food and supplies. And that's pretty much it. Pretty conservative, if I may say so myself. And for the spring club meetings, it's pretty much the same as the fall club meetings. We anticipate 8 meetings, 6 to 7 pizzas, and 1 gallon of drink, totaling to another total of about $600. And for the club events in the spring, we do another hiking trip, needing $75 for gas. Another club event to another museum of sorts, where we need $75 in gas again. And once again, here's another picture of when we went hiking in November. And we'd also done the club competition, needing $25 in supplies for that as well. But in addition to what we had last semester, we would also need $75 for T-shirts, which I believe is a very conservative number for T-shirts, because T-shirts can be very expensive. In the semester trip in the spring, we would anticipate about $550 for gas, $600 for the hotel because the trip might be slightly longer, another $150 for the campground, and $200 for the food and supplies once again. But in addition to what we would plan for the fall semester, we would also plan in trips to museums such as Kennedy Space Center. We need about $300 for that. So looking back, our mission statement was to promote the engineering profession and students' professional development, leadership, and fellowship, while also increasing membership, increasing student involvement and fellowship, and also to help members plan for their engineering careers. I think if you look over what we have proposed to you, it is quite clear that we have done all of these things. Thank you, and this concludes our budget approval.